A circle has center at -1, 2 and radius 4. Thus the point -3.4 and -1.2 lie on the circle. If this point lie on the circle at center -1, 2, the distance between these 2 points should be 4 units. Why? Because the radius is 4. So we will use distance formula to find the distance between these 2 points. If this distance will be 4 units, it means that the point -3.4 and the second coordinate -1.2 lie on the circle. So let me remind you formula. When we have 2 points, A coordinates x1, y1 and B coordinates x2, y2, the distance formula between these 2 points, the distance is square root of, in parentheses we have x minus x1 to second power plus y minus y1 to second power. So this is equal, if point A will be -1, 2 and B -3.4, -1.2, so this is our x1, y1, x2, y2. So we just substitute to our formula, square root, we copy, and in first parenthesis we have to subtract x2 minus x1. So -3.4 minus -1 to second power plus, and now we subtract the y coordinates, so -1.2 minus 2 to second power. So this is equal square root of, we have -3.4, negative and negative, so it will be plus 1 to second power plus -1.2 minus 2, so it will be -3.2 to second power. So this is equal square root, we copy, and in first parenthesis will be -2.4 to second power plus, let me copy, -3.2 to second power. So this is equal, we can use calculator. We have -2.4 to second power, so will be positive number, 2.4 to second power, this is, copy square root, 5.76 plus -3.2 to second power, so will be positive 3.2 to second power, so this is equal 10.24. so this is equal, we add plus 5.76, so this is square root of 16. Square root of 16 is 4. So the distance between point A with this coordinates and B with that coordinates is 4, because the distance is 4 units. You can write. So it means, and the radius of our circle is 4, it means that this point lie on the circle. This is my solution.